over the few years, Python has become a language of choice. It's the language that is now being used by all the big techs, from Meta to Alphabet, Amazon, Huawei, all of them are now using Python. Thank you very much.
My name is Sophia Pimparikofo. I am a data scientist and analytical engineer. This is my first time at the PyCon Ghana 2026, and it's been an exciting experience so far. One of my favorite things has been the breakout session. I have been able to network with people, but most importantly, learn from people in different fields and fill in the gaps in places where I really need to. If I should invite someone next year, honestly, I'll tell them to come to PyCon Ghana 2027 because it'll be a place to network, to learn, and just to grow as an individual and a person. So, see you next year.